Pisces. Hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is a weekly reading from the week of 25th to 31st of May 2020. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. And thank you so much for your beautiful comments on my channel. And I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, love, health, wealth, and so many good vibes from me to you guys. And yeah guys, if you are wondering that which deck I'm using, so this is the Good Tarot deck. This is the deck I'm using. I hope you can see this. Yeah, so yeah, let's start your reading, Pisces. This is for the Pisces people. Okay, let's start your reading. This is for the Pisces. Pisces. Ooh, Aquarius. Some of you are dealing with an Aquarius. So let's see, what is this about? Okay, let's cut the deck for you, Pisces. Whoa, 9 of Cups, wish fulfillment card. So beautiful card. Moon, 4 of Wands, transformation. Okay. Ace of Swords, 3 of Wands, 8 of Cups, Magician, 10 of Cups. Wow, Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so this is the Virgo energy, your natural 7th. Yeah. Okay, so Pisces, you are feeling very content, very complete, very happy, because 9 of Cups and then 10 of Cups. So you are going through some kind of ascension. You are going through some kind of growth in yourself, in your emotional realm. Wow, you have your wish fulfillment, and you are going to have your wish fulfillment if you're not right now. Okay, with the Moon, 4 of Wands, and the transformation, I'm feeling that some kind of situation was hidden in this twin flame connection, because this is the twin flame connection with the 4 of Wands. 11 definitely a very strong soulmate connection, a very strong bond, soul tie between you and this person, definitely. And yeah, there were some secrets and some things were hidden before in the past you don't know about, but I'm feeling that when you had get through that, something has ended. And yeah, when you have known that you ended something with this person. Ace of Swords, 3 of Wands, 8 of Cups. I'm feeling that there is an opportunity coming for you, because I'm feeling that both of you are expecting each other. They're expecting you to come towards them, and you are expecting them to come towards you. So both of you are expecting each other to come forward with these travel cards. They want to come towards you. You want to come towards them. So you can switch the roles. But this is the layout. So they are, in the back of their mind, they are thinking about you, but they are also moving forward. They are not waiting for you, and same as you are not waiting for them. You are moving forward for your happiness, for your 10 of Cups, and you have find that you can see this 8, 9, and 10 of Cups. So definitely you have drained a lot in the past and now you are going to have your wish fulfillment, and you are going to have a very beautiful, happy life, a very stable, very happy love life, maybe, or this is the general life. You will be very happy. You feel that happiness. Yeah. Okay, but you are moving forward. You are not waiting for them. Magician, 10 of Cups, and the Knight of Pentacles. Definitely you are manifesting something very special for you, and you are taking slow steps. You are not in the rushing. No, you are not like that. You are moving forward but very steadily, smoothly. 9 of Cups, please. Tower, okay. Star. Page of Wands, okay. So Pisces, I'm feeling that definitely you will have your wish fulfillment, but then something happened. This is out of the blue situation. Something come which you have never expected of, and that will blow your mind and blow the person's mind. I'm feeling that this is the person. This is the push from the universe. This is out of the blue, like you have didn't expect for them to come towards you, because you can see they are not thinking about you. They are thinking about you, but they are not thinking to come forward you for you. They have their other direction, you have your direction. So this is a surprise for you. This will be a surprise for you, and this is the push from the universe. Like I'm feeling that they are having some kind of tower moment in their life right now, and they will contact you. They will message you, text you, communicate with you, whatever. They will come to you because there is a second chances, and there is a chance from the destiny they are having, and this is the push from the universe. Definitely this is the push from the universe. Yeah, and they can feel that push. Like tower is, whoa. What is this? Moon for the Pisces, please. What is this moon? What is this moon card? Four of Swords, 7 of Cups, Judgment. Yeah. So I'm feeling that what they were hiding before in the past, now they are healing from that kind of secretive nature, and they were fantasizing something about if they will hide that from you, they will secure them from you. I'm feeling like this kind of vibe, but definitely they are healing from that kind of illusion, that kind of false behavior they are having in the past, and they are definitely having a push from the universe, because this is the destiny. This is the universe. Universe wants you to get them back, to get them back with you. Universe want them to get back with you. Second chances. So yeah, if you have ended that, so I just want to suggest you that listen to them. If they are communicating with you, just listen to them. Have the big heart, and yeah, use your intuition. If they are changed person, then give them a try, because this is the universe decision. So yeah, no one can avoid the universe. Okay, so Ace of Swords, Sun, beautiful. Wow, it's beautiful. Ace of Swords brings happiness. Ace of Pentacles, patience. Wow, this is the Temperance card of the tarot. So definitely this is second chances. Pisces, I'm feeling that for some of you it is a new person, because we have aces here and we have 10 here, which is also 1. So completion, new cycles, new chapters of your life. And for some of you this is second chances, because Sagittarius is also second chances, the second opportunity. And yeah, they feel lucky. Like I'm feeling that they feel happy when you will accept their offer, and but you are like holding tight on your heart space, because you just want to know them before giving them the way of your heart. Yeah, because you have had an experience with them in the past. That's why you want to notice them before to give them the key of your heart. Yeah, you want to notice them before giving them your heart space. What is this Magician doing here? What is this Magician? Lovers. Wow, Magician and then Lovers, 7 of Pentacles, Nine of Swords. Okay, so Pisces, I'm feeling that you are manifesting this strong soulmate connection. Definitely, there is no doubt you are manifesting this connection by giving the intention to the universe that you are not waiting for them, you are giving attention towards your new opportunities, because you were planting the seeds for your growth, and that's why universe is giving you that beautiful soulmate connection. So you are already manifesting this, that's why they are coming back to you. Yeah. Nine of Swords, this is on your headspace. You are overthinking, like if they are changed or if they are not changed, so you are just overthinking the situation, but they are coming back. Yeah, they want second chances. So this is a hat for you, Pisces. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.